What is this? Check it out. Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. So we recently got this Ingway Engine Pro 2.0 in, and it's got a problem, so we need to make some adjustments to it. The derailleur over here is out of whack, and we can only get it up into about 5th gear. That's as far as she goes. So I've adjusted derailleurs before. I'm not real good with it. I gotta fumble through to get it done, and it's kind of a pain in the butt because you make a slight adjustment, and then you gotta spin the crank, the front crank, move the wheel, adjust the shifter, and see how things are moving back and forth, and it can be just a pain in the caboose a little bit, especially when the back wheel's on the ground. That's where this guy comes in. I purchased this a while back and haven't had a chance to use it, haven't needed it yet, but whoa, look at that, magnetic too. That's pretty cool. So what these are handlebar jacks. Yeah, so you put these on your handlebars and you can flip your bike upside down, and it protects things from getting jacked up here. For instance, you don't want your display to get messed up, so you put this handlebar jack on, and we're just going to do it together for the first time. I have not monkeyed with this at all. So I'm going to do something like this, just to slide it over and tighten it up. That worked pretty good. And do the same over here. You got to open these feet out so they're spread out, and loosen up the Velcro strap. And we're going to slide it over the handlebars, even the ones with the palm rest it goes over, and then tighten it down. Yeah, so they're sticking up like that. And we're hoping this is going to work. We're going to find out. But it looks like, yeah, it looks like it's higher than the display, so we shouldn't have any issues there. So now we're going to squeeze the right brake, the rear brake, and just lift up on the bike so it flips over like so. And how's this going to work? Is this going to work all right? So you know what? We need a piece of cardboard. Yep, because I don't want to jack things up out here on this concrete. So now, grab your piece of cardboard or your Toby bed, if you happen to have a Toby. There you go. How about that? You think that's going to work? I think that's going to work just fine. If you have a Toby. If you don't have a Toby, and if you don't know what a Toby is, that's a Toby. Yeah. So we're going to pull up on this. Set it down like, whoop, too far. Set it down right about there. And we're going to go ahead and set this down on the ground. See if this is going to work. Well, that works pretty good because it keeps your display off the ground, and you got the whole bike resting on those little handlebar jacks. So that's kind of cool. Huh. I wonder if they're strong enough though. Yeah. Yeah, I would say that's going to be pretty good. Now what that's going to do for me is, while I'm back here working on this derailleur, didn't get myself enough room over here though. While I'm working on the derailleur, I can easily spin the tire and rotate it, and I should still be able to shift the gears. So yeah, I think this is going to work out just fine. So make sure you go check these guys out. Where's the box? There it is. There's the box. It's called the original handlebar jack, and this is the new version. Okay, I don't know what the original version looked like or how it operated, but I'm happy with this new version right here. So check it out. There'll be a link in the description down below. That's going to be it. I'm not going to show you how to adjust your derailleur because I got to figure that out myself. Leave any comments down below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you in another video real soon. Make sure you go check out the links.